How to change the size of the text in Figma. Adjusting text size is essential for creating visually appealing designs, so let's get right into it. Alright, here we are in Figma, and make sure you have a text layer selected. You can do this by clicking on text itself like this. If you haven't added any text yet, you can just go to that toolbar in the text and just type in the text, whatever you want to customize your text to. And in order to customize it, simply tap into this text that says subscribe to TechBase. By the way, please do subscribe to TechBase right now. I'll be waiting for you. So okay, once you subscribe, once you're done with that, simply go back. Let's go back to the video. Okay, let's tap into the text you want to change the size of, and you see one property panel at the right corner. Simply go to this option and it already has a size. You can either type in a specific size, like let's go for 24, or okay, let's say 30 even. Hit enter, and there you can actually see the text change in real time on your canvas, allowing you to get the perfect look for your design. I think it's a bit more like large, so you can either go to the drop down menu and select the size from here. Let's stick to maybe more like 15. That's better. Alright, this is one method. You can also use keyboard shortcuts, like let's say if you want to text size a bit, like you want to increase the text size, simply go to the keyboard and type in that Control Shift and greater than button, and as you can see, the size has increased. And if you want to like decrease the size, simply again tap the Control Shift and now less than button in your keyboard, and it will decrease in size. So this is your this is your keyboard shortcut, and that's it. You now know how to change the size of text in Figma. It's that easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and yeah, I hope you have already subscribed to our channel. And if you have any questions or want to see more tutorials, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.